everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today I have a box of diamond painting tools for us to review. So a company reached out to me and said that they sell on Amazon and that they have an LED light pad for diamond painting with some other tools included, and they wanted me to check it out and see what I thought. So that's what we're gonna do today. So what is in this box? So there's not just a light pad. There is a lot of other things, which is super exciting for me. This is the one that I started from the very beginning using, and I continue to use it to this day. I'm still very happy with these kind of containers. So basically this locks shut. You have 4 individual grids, containers that you can put your drills into. So what I do is I pour whatever's the first color on my list. I would label it 310. I'd put all the black 310s in here, and then I would go in numerical order and fill them up. That's what this is for. I love these, they're amazing. We have the cord, which is a USB connector for our light pad, which we'll get to in a minute. In this package, this is where we're gonna find all of our other tools. And I love this zippered mesh bag. I really love that because it's a great storage container. So let me pull out what's in here and we'll talk about what you're getting. Okay, I'm already loving this. Love the big tray. Love the big tray. We also have a smaller tray with the funnel, which is I really love, even though they're small. I love the ones with the funnel. And then we have our standard green tray. So for those of you who like the different types of trays, you've got one of each kind in your kit here. Okay, we have a lot of extra things in here. But the bulldog clips are for clipping your painting onto your LED light or to your work table or your workstation or your work desk, or if you're like me and you like to clip it to your Alvin sketchboard. Whatever you want to do, these little bulldog clips are in here for that purpose. I love that. I know it seems silly and ridiculous, but some people just don't have this stuff laying around. So that we're going to talk about in a minute when we use it. We've got a pair of plastic tweezers that's nice for just picking up and putting back your drills. A lot of people actually use the tweezers to place their drills. I don't. I never have gotten the knack of that, but I do use them for making sure that I have my drills picked up and put back into my containers, but that's just for me. You're also getting a pack of the little zippered bags for the extras that you may have in drills. They've given us 5 drill pins, and let's talk about what these are each good for. Sorry, I'm dropping them everywhere. So this one, of course, has your single tip. 4 of them have the single So these 4 have the tip that is just for placing your single one at a time drills. But on the other side, this is where you have the multi-placement adapter. So this one will hold 3 at a time, and I can place 3 drills on my painting at any one time. These 2 will place 6 drills at a time, and this one will place 10 at a time. So for those of you who've been diamond painting for a long time, you are totally capable of using this one, picking up 10 at a time. Then you have this, and this is something that I've recently realized why they were giving me these. So I'm gonna go to this diamond painting I have underneath this box for a minute. So the small one is just a smaller version for smaller places. The larger one is just a little wider, but what I use these for is to make sure, I'm gonna make sure I don't get it in the video here, and make sure that my squares are straight and lined up exactly as they need to be. So that's what this is for. I love this. It's such a simple little thing, but this is a great tool. This is the one I use when I diamond paint with square drills. This is also a larger type of straightener. So if I have round drills or have square drills, whatever I'm working with, this is the one that would push them into an even border so that everything is neat and pretty. So this is just another little handy tool. Now you guys, what you're paying for is an LED light, but you're also getting all of this other stuff. So the light is one we're gonna get to very shortly, I promise. So they've given us a ton of wax, very, very large amount of wax for our paintings. Then they've given us some of the sticker labels, which are very handy. This is what I use to put on top of my grid, my 28 grid system. But wait, there's more. So this is what, it comes with it also. It's a little stand that's gonna hold our Lightpad up at an angle for us. So this is the way it works. You're going to pop out this section, just push it back, and then this is going to come up, and these will slide into whatever place you want them to be and whatever angle you like to work. So if I want this to be back a little further, I can do it this way, I can do it this way. So you've got all these adjustable, like an easel for your diamond painting LED light. So I'm gonna put it like this for right now. I'm in this Lightpad out. We've got our instructions. There is a protective layer. I'm not gonna pull that off right now, but let's get it plugged in and let's look at the different features the Lightpad has. Let's turn this on and take a look at what it does for us. Okay, so we're gonna press and hold. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay, and then you're gonna press and hold to dim, press and hold to brighten, and that's gonna be a difference in whether it is, if you like less light or more light or whatever you need for your particular situation. Now I'm gonna put it up on my little stand here, let's see. And this is a very large Lightpad, which is very nice. So here is how this would work. Now let's get our bulldog clips. That's what we call them here in the United States, binder clips, whatever you wanna call them. And you can clip onto your LED Lightpad and hold it in place. And flip the back of that down so it will lay flat. And we are going to see how much more visible our schematic is now. Look at how beautifully lit this is. This Lightpad will show you every flaw, every single little gap, everything. But you don't need to let it worry you. You just need to use this for your visibility on lighting your colors and your schematic. But when you are done with your painting, before you say, oh my goodness, none of my squares matched up, put it up on a wall, look at it from a distance with no light underneath, and you will be thrilled. One thing I will tell you all, since I also review and do a lot of paint by number videos, I want to mention in this video, you do not ever want to put a light pad or a light source under your paint by number, because you will see things that you never knew existed that will never ever show up when you put it on the wall. So when you backlight a paint by number, you'll see thin coats, you'll see, you'll see all these details and flaws that you never need to see because nobody's ever gonna see it that way. So don't use it under a paint by number unless you are prepared and you know that it can make your painting look horrible. But for a diamond painting, this is a magnificent tool. It is a wonderful thing to have. A light pad is such a great tool to have in your art arsenal anyway. It's great for tracing, it's great for drawing, it is fantastic for diamond paintings, is what we're using it for today. The LED light pad is good for so many different arts and crafts, and I mean, the list is limitless. So that's it for today, you all. I love this kit. I think I paid $29 and something. I will put the store that I'm working with on this piece in the description at Amazon, and I will put the total that I paid for it as well. And you guys, I really think this is worth what you're getting. I mean, this LED light is just great. I'm loving it. So I have a feeling I'll be using an LED light more often when I diamond paint now. That's it. I appreciate you guys being here today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be bringing you a lot more paint by numbers and diamond paintings in the future. I also now have a Patreon account, which I will link you to in the bottom. And if you will go to my website at melaniegilstrap.com, you can get information about what Patreon is, what I'm going to be including in your membership there, and all of that wonderful information. In the meantime, go join us at the group. That link is in the bottom in the description as well, and I will see you back soon. Thanks as always for watching.